you and your husband, ìṣọmọlúàbí.
Alhaji Oriyomi àwọn náà ti sọ opinion tiwọn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ tí wọ́n sọ níbi ọjọ́ ìbí Ayọ̀délé Fáyòsé èyí tí wọ́n ṣe kọjá. Ẹ já gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ. Ẹ love, ẹ like, ẹ bá mi share, ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ n gbé fọ́nrán wọlé kájọ gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ níbí báyìí.
Fún sísà kó sọ fún kó pe àwọn nígbà tó wá pa àwọn ní ta leléyìí wọ́n náà sọ pé Ayọ̀délé náà láyọ̀ wo ló ní Fáyọ̀sé àwọn làwọn wà wọ́n ní ó fún ìyàwó kí á ló ní kí ìyàwó rẹ̀ náà pe àwọn pé ìyàwó wọn náà wọ́n pe àwọn sì bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ pé tí wọ́n rí pé ìwọ àtọkọ rẹ̀
nọ́mà
ìsọmọlúwàbí àbí kí wọ́n sọ wọ́n sàbú wọn wọ́n níyàwó wọn sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni daddy you are right ṣe wí lórí wọ́n sàtò bàbá tún sọ ní stage bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o kí ló wá lè mú bàbá máa sọ báwọn sí Fáyọ̀sé lọ́jọ́ birthday Fáyọ̀sé kí ni Fáyọ̀sé ti ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣáájú àkókò òun ẹ já wo kínní láti wo tí bàbá náà sọ.
Started coming here. Some people called me and said, we hear you are going to Ayo Fayose's birthday. Can't you remember he abused you? I said, thank you for reminding me.
And Obasanjo will come out with a rotten mouth to come and be condemning PDP for which we are president for 8 years. That gave you a platform from prison. A man, when we saw the picture when Obasanjo was released by General Absalam, we would not allow such a man to sit beside you. But the same man is coming, I'm opening the library. My 10 million naira is part of his library. We were made to pay 10 million naira as governors in 2005. And I've written to him, return that money over. How can Nigerians be celebrating a corrupt man? Corrupt man! This is the worst ever. Worst ever. They should put interest on that 10 million naira. I contributed 10 million. I stand to be corrected. Some of you are afraid of what? When you have said Obasanjo will do like this. Obasanjo will do what? His time has come and gone. We are the center of the business now. We are and governor now. Where is he?
Up to the time I started coming here, some people called me and said, we hear you are going to Ayo Fayose's birthday. Can't you remember he abused you? I said, thank you for reminding me. In Yoruba land, we have a saying, wọn kì í lé ọmọ búburú fún ẹkùn pàjẹ́. You are not the best of my political children. You are not. But you have made achievement that must not be ignored. Because even to get me to come to this, you couldn't approach me directly. You sent Osita to come and sound me out. Àbí wọ̀ bá ṣe rere ara kì í hó yàyà o. Àìṣe rere ẹ tó ní sí mi. You couldn't come direct. And when Osita came, I said, Osita, who also is a political child. I said, well, if he has sent you and you have delivered the message, then say to him that you have delivered the message. And then you phoned me. And I said, Ayo who? And you say, Ayo Fayose. I said, yes, you can see me anytime. I made it but a walk. And then, even that, you take precaution. Oh, what direct Latin to knock at my door. You send Folusho as emissary to feel the pulse and see what the atmosphere will be. And Felicia came. And when Felicia came, I said, what have you come for? And about an hour later, you came. And you know that I had had the program, which took me to Kigali, 1 a.m. yesterday. And I was supposed to be in Kigali till Sunday. But when you then told me that your birthday is this Saturday, I said, whatever it takes, I will make sure that I come. And there and then, I started making arrangement. Because ara lelayu malamodi, arun lara atape, and I want everybody to learn a lesson from there. And then, after you have heard from me, you phone your wife. And I spoke to your wife. And I said, Madam, you and your husband, Shomaluabi. And your wife completely disarmed me by saying, Baba, you are right. Edarijiwa. And then when you get that, then what else can I do? Baba, we are right. Edarijiwa. So, you've asked for forgiveness, and as far as I'm concerned, you are forgiven. But the lesson, the right lessons must be learned. As I said, we are all here to celebrate with you. 65 years on the surface of the earth, Pelu hila hilo, and you have seen a bit of it. It's worth celebrating.
Támínà yìí àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ pè wá wọlé púpọ̀. Ẹ má jà pẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá. Bàbá ní àwọn fẹ́ ká kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ńbẹ̀. Ẹ kàn já sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ká kú ńbẹ̀.
Gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n sọ yìí mo rí torí bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ́ ibi tí mo rí tó le jù ní òkùnkùn níjọ́ tí Fayose àti Obasanjo pàdé lọ́dọ̀ Oyinlọ́lá.
It was too cool for comfort that day. Ó bad gan. Wọ́n ó hàlà bàbá gan seriously. Bọ́jú gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ ìgbà tẹ́ni tó ṣẹ̀ bá ti lè mọ̀ pé òun ṣe tó dẹ̀ tọrọ dáríjì. Then the next thing kéèyàn gbójú kúrò. Ẹ̀kọ́ ló jẹ́ lóòótọ́. Torí mo mọ̀ yí pé lára wọ́n mọ̀ mú àwọn Alliance for Democracy governor yẹn bàbá mú wọn lọ́wọ́ lẹ̀ kí wọ́n Fayose lè wọlé 2003 ni kò yẹ kán fi ibi san fún wọn. Ibi ó tán lẹ́yìn kò lè wọn. Ẹ jẹ́ ń dóbà.
Wọ́n ti tán wọ́n ti parẹ́.
Mo dúpẹ́ gan fún àpèjọ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Ọmọ ń jẹ́ kí inú mi dùn pé kò sí ká mọ́ bara wa jà ká mọ́ tẹ̀ra wa bó ká mọ́ fi orí ọ̀fẹ́ lẹ̀ fún ká parí ẹ̀ kó sì tán síbẹ̀.
Okay.
2 lessons. Number 1 ni pé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ para yín torí olóṣèlú tí yín tánu.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o.
You kill yourself because of politicians. Nígbà ní kíní kan ní wọ́n parí ẹ̀jọ́ kan tí yín ti tán nìyẹn. Ẹ mọ̀ jà kiri ẹ mọ̀ kó mọ̀ kí. Ẹlẹ́kejì ni wípé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá yàtọ̀ o. In the southwest we have a rallying point and the way tí wọ́n ní ọmọ ẹni ìṣèdí bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ kẹsíjọ ọmọ ẹlòmíì. There's always a rallying point and there's always a kind of atmosphere of reconciliation. Ó máa ń easy ilẹ̀ Yorùbá gan.
Yes.
Ṣé kọ́mọ yẹ ìhànà báyìí wọ́n rẹ̀ tí bàbá sọ ni wọ́n máa ń ní burúburú fẹ́kùn pàjẹ́ àwọn kan máa fọmọ wọn pẹ́ fún pàjẹ́ o nílẹ̀ Yorùbá.
Àwa ìṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tóra
there's always room
for reconciliation. Àwa yìí kó ọ̀bẹ lé ọmọ lọ́wọ́ pé kó mọ rìn káàkiri àwa padà lọ lóru àmọ́ dálé súnyàn àìsèrú ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ wa ń bí.
Ó ti tán.
2 lessons learned.
Ìjẹ́ sọ pé èèyàn ṣe mi yé ti àlà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
Ẹ jẹ́ àtètè máa lọ sí